Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to talk about using multiple if statements in Excel. So you can see here that I've created a file, put in some quick data, and then I've used some if statements. So basically what this is saying is if B2 matches Jessica, then write B. If B2 says Henry, you would write you. And if B2 says Chris, you would write him. I simply took that, dragged it down, so now it's talking about B3 and B4, and that's how you get those answers. What I do like to show, and the reason I've put it in full color here, is Excel really helps you keep track of which part of the formula you're in. So the first parentheses is colored black, the second one is colored red, and the third one is colored purple. So now I can go back through my formula and make sure I have a closing parentheses of purple, red, and black. So there you go. Real easy to have multiple if statements in Excel. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.